Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. It is a Vlogmas day 12. That's crazy. It's a Vlogmas day 12, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I've actually been working. It's a little bit later on already. It's already 2 o'clock. Today is gonna be, I would say, like kind of a relaxing day. My plan is to gift wrap all of the Christmas gifts. At least that is the plan. I don't think anybody in my family watches my videos. At least I hope not. I mean, if they do, whatever. But I am going to go ahead and probably show you all what I got for everyone. If you hear a lisp, I'm wearing my eyeliner, so that is probably why. But if you want to see more of that, it'll be later on today, probably towards the end of the video, because I am going to go ahead and gift wrap the papers after work. Matthew, when he gets off, because he gets off a little earlier than I do, he's gonna go to the store to buy gift wrap paper because he didn't do that yesterday, and he's gonna get pizza for us because today the Rams play, which my husband is a huge LA Rams fan, so the goal is to gift wrap while we watch the game. So that is pretty fun since I'm in the spirit of Christmas. I made this yesterday, and I have to say, it's freaking adorable. I got this, I showed it to y'all yesterday. I got it from Michael's, and it was only $5. And y'all, wait, you can't see it. It lights up. Can you even see it? I don't think you can see it because it's bright outside. But I'll have to show it to y'all later. I think it turned out really, really cute. I put Merry Swiftmas. I made it like Taylor Swift themed, and I think it looks really cute. I used some of the little gems that I had. Uncut gems.
Uncut gems. Right.
Uncut gems. I used some of the gems that I had from some projects that I've done. But one thing I did want to do is actually do a little bit of makeup. Who am I? Who do I think I am? But I feel like I've been looking very unpresentable, if I'm being honest, and one of the things that I'm wanting to work on is my appearance, because not that it like gets me down, because I don't really honestly care, but I just think it'll be better, and it'll make me be more productive. So I'm just gonna do like a light little something. Like I have this is this tinted moisturizer? No, I think this is actual like foundation, but it's the e.l.f. Glow, whatever this is, and I really like this. It's really nice for my skin. I like it. It applies well, whatever. So I wanted to do my makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up, but yeah, I'm excited to look kind of nice. If I like this, I feel like I might have done something different. I don't know. What did I do? I feel like it doesn't look the way it normally does. Maybe I applied too much bronzer. I don't know. Oh well, whatever. At least I'm just staying home. If not, I think I would have like forced myself to restart it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to work. At one point I am gonna head downstairs and grab something to eat because I haven't had like a lunch. But yeah, let's just hang out. That's all I gotta do today. It's literally hang out. Okay, actually really quick, I'm gonna show you all before I returned to do what I needed to do. But I got a little package in that I got actually from TikTok Shop. I have to say, like, it doesn't look as nice or as good as the picture did, but I still really like it. I got this cute little, like, I guess you can say like bookmark, but it has like a ruler in the back, and it's attached to this little pom-pom, and I figured I could literally use this in my planner. Like, it's actually pretty adorable. It came with these, like, I guess you can say these are postcards, because it has like stuff in the back, and then it says a sticker collage club and snail mail. And it comes with like a bunch of goodies that you can like use in like your journal. It comes with this like cardstock, this I don't know, this die cut. It comes with the bracelet that says awesome, and then we have some foil stickers. Also has this, it says like a return address, like if you're wanting to kind of make her like a snail mail, then you can like send her something if you want. But it comes with all these goodies. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see this angle. So these are some of the goodies that it comes with. It comes with like a little cute napkin, a Christmas card with the envelope, and then these right here are all, it looks like printables on like label paper or like sticker paper. So that's like 2025, some money ones if you have like, I guess like money goals or something. Let me try to keep this kind of organized. So like money goals, Christmas, some more Christmas, and then these are like girly pop collection. So like just a collage of like a mixture of things that you can use in like a journal or a planner, whatever you want, like a junk journal. So it comes, I'm skipping some, I'm not showing you all of them, but yeah, that's kind of what that is. And then it also comes with like some paper, so that, another, oh, that's cool, it's Panama, that's cute. And it comes with like pieces of like paper from like books and stuff, and this doily, like how cute. So definitely pretty fun. I think it was only like $7, so I didn't feel guilty buying this because it was like pretty inexpensive. But I have to say it's one of my last purchases that I'll be making that is like, I guess you can say like stationery products, because hold on, because I really do not need to be buying anything else. And then it also came with these things, which I can actually use in the, I'm making a silent book for one of my friend's daughters. So I feel like I can make that, I can include that. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get back to work now because I should be.
My mom called me and I was like, oh.
Yeah, I mean, it honestly sounds really good, so. But I still want a slice of pizza. The way you're like, same. Okay, I'm glad I'm not alone in that. But anyways, I wanted to go ahead and update you all because I don't know if I'm going to be able to like continue the vlog. Plans have definitely changed, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Like I'm fine with the plans changing. But originally I had planned on wrapping gifts today because my niece and nephew are coming over tomorrow, so I wanted to make sure to have those done and out of the way. But I'm thinking what I could do is put those gifts, because they're currently in the garage, and although they're in the garage and like out of sight, I feel like these kids, like, they low-key see everything. So I'm thinking about putting them in the guest room closet. What?
Or my office.
Oh yeah, or in Matthew's office. Just somewhere that's like out of the way, and not like in the garage where like they would be in. Oh, hello, Caesar. So that's kind of the plan or the idea, because yeah, I want them out of the way. I don't want them to be able to see that. Okay, creeper. I like to watch. But the change of plans are that Matthew's mom, his parents, they called and said they made caldo, which is like, honestly sounds so good, especially with me like still struggling with like all this congestion stuff. I've been kind of struggling with this for like at this point like a month, which is wild. Matthew, you should have put my pants down.
I need to go grab the beer out of my...
Okay, but yeah, we're gonna go over there and eat and hang out. They always play freaking Yahtzee, so I don't doubt they're gonna be playing Yahtzee. But the reason why I wanted to make sure and update you all, because I don't know if I'll be able to, I don't like like they're very like private, and so I don't want to be like a camera in their face. Maybe I'll record a little bit, like snips and bits here and there, but I wanted to let y'all know that's what's happening. But either way, I'm gonna go ahead and any footage that I get I'll insert here. And then I'll still go ahead and close out the vlog to get me ahead of it all. So if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of the videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna have my niece and nephew, so y'all will definitely get to meet them. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.